Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Weeping Gemini ZZZ. First, let's quickly go over what this valuable item is and why it's sought after. Knowing its uses will help you appreciate its worth. Then, we'll pinpoint the most efficient location to farm it, saving you precious time. Finally, we'll discuss the essential preparations you'll need to make before starting your hunt for this elusive item. Before you embark on your quest, ensure you have at least 500 gold coins and 3 rare keys in your inventory. These are crucial for accessing the special chests. Next, optimize your character by equipping any gear that provides an item drop bonus, ideally around 15% or more, to boost your chances. Finally, make your way to the Whispering Grotto dungeon entrance, which is our target location. Once inside the Whispering Grotto, focus on defeating the 10 specific grotto guardians found within the first chamber. They have a chance to drop a special chest. After clearing them, locate the glowing chest and use one of your rare keys to open it. The Weeping Gemini ZZZ has a good chance to drop from this chest. Repeat this process as many times as needed for consistent results. To further increase your efficiency, consider forming a party of 3 players. This can significantly speed up clearing the dungeon and increase your overall drops. Keep an eye out for any in-game bonus events that might offer increased item drop rates or special rewards, as these are prime times to farm. If all else fails, remember you can often trade with other players who might have extra Weeping Gemini ZZZ.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.